Thank you. Thank you. It's a Neo, new seats.
Yeah.
Been on this one before, sadly.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. It was supposed to be LT apparently this morning.
Oh, I don't know.
And they changed it last minute. It's like, no. Never mind.
Welcome on board. Mr. Nice one.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, welcome on board.
I was on TG on the way out, so that's an old one.
Joining with the flight deck colleague and friend, Senior First Officer Simon Buck. Louise is your cabin manager. Louise is fantastic. She's got a great team today, namely in Ellie, Paula, Jane and another Paula. Just about ready to go here, very soon closing the aircraft doors, taxiing out for a departure from the easterly facing runway. So as we take off, the rock will be on the right hand side. We'll head over towards Malaga, up through central Spain, past Madrid, up to 38,000 feet. Flight will take us around about 2 hours and 50 minutes. Nice day for flying. The weather in Manchester, small possibility of a light shower this afternoon, but generally quite pleasant, and around about 20 degrees centigrade. Now the most important part of the flight, of course, is the safety of it. There'll be a safety demonstration prior to our departure. It takes 2 or 3 minutes of your time, and I do ask that you give that your full attention. It shows that you care about your safety as well as the safety of those sat around you as well. Well, either myself or Simon will speak to you on the way to Manchester. We'll give you some more details on the flight, including the estimated time of arrival. In the meantime, though, sit back, relax, enjoy it, and thank you very much for choosing EasyJet this morning.
If your electronic devices become hot, damaged or produce smoke, let us know immediately. If you're using a power bank, please monitor your device being charged. Charging vapes and other e-cigarettes is not permitted, and these must be switched off. You can now fasten your seatbelt.
Los dispositivos electrónicos pueden utilizarse en todo momento, siempre que esté activado el modo avión. Guarden sus ordenadores portátiles antes de despegar.
And it's my pleasure to be the cabin manager on board your flight today. Also in the cabin with me, we've got Paula, Ellie, another Paula, and Jane. We're all here to make your journey safe and comfortable, so if there is anything that you do need, then please don't hesitate to contact any one of us.
Para comenzar el flujo de oxígeno, colóquensela sobre nariz y boca y respiren con normalidad. Asegúrenla con la cinta y estiren ambos lados para ajustarla. Colóquense su propia mascarilla antes de ayudar a otros. En caso de amerizaje, utilicen el chaleco salvavidas situado debajo de su asiento. Extráiganlo de su bolsa y pónganselo por la cabeza, pasando las tiras alrededor de la cintura. Cierren el broche y ajustenlo con la tira. No lo inflen dentro del avión. Una vez fuera, inflenlo tirando del cordón. Si no se inflara o necesitara más aire, utilicen el tubo para soplar. Dispone de una luz y un silbato para atraer la atención. La tripulación les asistirá con los chalecos para los niños. La mesita debe estar plegada, los reposabrazos bajados, las persianas subidas y su cinturón abrochado. En la revista encontrarán más información sobre su seguridad. Les deseamos un vuelo agradable.
to take you through the safety features of this aircraft. Please pay attention to the illuminated signs and crew instructions. The location of the emergency exits is shown on the safety card and is demonstrated by the crew. Please make sure you know where your nearest exits are. They may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all bags on board. To fasten your seatbelt, push the metal end into the buckle until it clicks. Pull the loose end to adjust and unfasten by lifting the top of the buckle. It must be fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and we suggest you keep it fastened whenever you're in your seat. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap and pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take a life jacket from under your seat. Remove it from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. You must not inflate your life jacket until you are outside. Once outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it doesn't inflate or needs topping up, blow into the tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The crew can help you with life jackets for children. Please look at the safety card in your seat pocket before takeoff. It contains important safety information specific to this aircraft, such as the brace position and operation of the exits. Please now close your seat table, put the armrests down, open the window blind and fasten your seatbelt. Thank you for your attention. seatbelt sign is still illuminated. Do recommend to keep your seatbelt loosely fastened throughout the flight just in case of any unexpected turbulence. Please take care of opening the overhead lockers in case anything has moved during takeoff that may fall out. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin, one at the front and two at the rear. Which all are fitted with highly sensitive smoke detectors, as smoking is not permitted on board at any time, and this does include these for cigarettes and vapes.
announcements from the flight deck. Your first officer will do a quick update on our progress. I do hope you've been enjoying the flight. Progress a little bit slower than we would have liked with some headwinds most of the way. Speed over the service at the moment, only just over 400 miles per hour. Currently still cruising 35,000 feet, but beginning our descent very shortly. Just passing over the Severn Estuary as we speak. From here, routing just to the west of Cardiff, then towards the Brecon Beacons and up through the centre of Wales. Arrival into Manchester taking us most likely over Liverpool and then across Manchester city centre to the north of the airfield for a long right turn to land on one of the southwest facing runways there. All of that is going to take us just over half an hour, looking to have you on the ground at around about 20 past the hour, that is 20 past 1 local time, and on stand just a few minutes after that. Latest weather in Manchester, pleased to say it is looking like a very nice afternoon, just scattered clouds, good visibility, a light breeze from the northwest and a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius. Well, that's all from us. Just like to take this opportunity to thank you for travelling with EasyJet today. We certainly do appreciate your custom on board. Wish you all a safe and pleasant onward journey and a very good afternoon. Thank you.
En breve aterrizaremos. Asegúrense de que todo su equipaje y objetos personales, incluidos los ordenadores portátiles, están guardados. Su mesilla plegada, los reposabrazos bajados, las persianas subidas y su cinturón abrochado, en preparación para el aterrizaje. Les rogamos revisen la tarjeta de seguridad que encontrarán en el bolsillo del asiento delantero, ya que contiene importante información para su seguridad. En caso de emergencia, dejen todo su equipaje en el avión. Rogamos su colaboración dándonos sus desperdicios, así como aquellos periódicos o revistas que no quieran llevarse. A partir de ahora, está prohibido utilizar los aseos.
We will shortly be landing. Please ensure your baggage and all personal belongings, including laptops, are safely stowed. Your tray table must be stowed, armrests down, window blinds open, and your seat belt fastened, ready for landing. Please review the safety card found in your seat pocket as it contains important safety information. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Please help us by handing in any rubbish, newspapers, or magazines that you do not want to take with you. The toilets can no longer be used.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manchester. The local time has just gone 20 past 1. The cabin crew will shortly be released from their seats to commence safety-related duties. However, we do ask that you remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the signs throughout the cabin have been switched off. This is for your safety as well as for the safety of others around you. Please make sure you take all of your personal belongings with you today by checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers, taking care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Just a reminder, smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. We'll shortly be handing you over to our ground handling agents here in Manchester who will be able to assist you further should you require it. If you're planning a beach break or a city getaway, why not check out EasyJet Holidays? We do have some fantastic offers at some unbeatable prices, so there really is something for everyone. Have a look at EasyJetHolidays.com. We'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with EasyJet. It's been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you all again on another EasyJet service in the not too distant future. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to wish you all a very safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Thank you and have a very good day.
Thank you very much. Disarm doors for arrival.
Cabin crew doors are clear to open. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll shortly be able to disembark the aircraft using the doors on the left-hand side where steps are being attached. Please take care when disembarking, holding onto the handrails whilst walking down the aircraft stairs and supervising your children. For your own safety, please do not walk underneath the wing, and just a reminder to take all of your personal belongings with you. Thank you.
No, you have to. Look, everyone is holding it back. Look, pull your straps. Yeah, pull it down.